Repose, the warrior's recovery, how men in the OLP Nation rebuild, recharge and rise. You can't keep swinging forever. Even the strongest centurion must sheathe the sword and kneel beside the fire, because burnout doesn't care how disciplined you are. If you don't make space for repose, you will break. This is the path most men skip, the one they call weak, lazy, unnecessary, but they're wrong, and they pay for it with lost years, broken health, and shattered focus. Repose is not retreat, it's ritual. This is where we reset the body, where we restore the mind, where we reconnect to the compass, and remember who the hell we are. If you don't plan your recovery, you plan your collapse. Inside the OLP Nation, repose is sacred. It's a command, not a suggestion. Every man who's walked the compass, every centurion who has earned his shield, has built rituals of repose that keep him sharp, lethal, and focused. So here's the truth, and the fix. You need a 7-day ritual cycle, 1 day, every 7, for full system reset. No screens, no work, no fake productivity, just total body and soul reset. Cold water, sunlight, breath, silence, not to escape the battle, but to return stronger. Repose is how warriors rise again. Here's what we give our men. 1 repose day per week, no grind, just stillness. Daily triggers, music, breath, candle, journal, something sacred that signals recovery mode. Evening lockouts, devices off by 9 p.m., no tech until the morning fire is lit. Weekly reflection ritual, sit with your compass, write, recover, recommit. You think skipping repose gives you an edge? It's costing you your sword? It's why you can't focus? It's why your sleep is garbage? It's why your fire is flickering? Scrolls chase dopamine. Centurions control it. Repose isn't rest, it's power, it's control. It's what keeps our men in the fight while others burn out. So, if you've been grinding without pause, if you haven't stopped in weeks, months, if your soul is screaming for a reset, this is your moment. Walk the repose path. Command yourself to recover. Give your mind space to sharpen. Your body will return stronger. Your soul will burn brighter. You will fight again. But this time, with force. The weak burn out and vanish. The scrolls collapse in silence. But the centurions, we rise, we rest, to fight, we recover, to lead, we repose, to dominate. You are a man of the compass. You don't run, you reload. So here's your fix. Choose your repose day. Lock it in, don't break it. Build your sacred evening ritual. Cut the noise. Create a space in your home for silence. No screens, just stillness. End each week with the compass. Write what you've learned. Write what you've become. You're not behind, you're not broken, you're just burned. And fire can be rebuilt. Let the scrolls keep running, let them mock recovery, let them die in the desert of burnout. You walk the repose path, and from the silence you rise.